and had a fight, and then he left.
You say that he left the house on the Thursday evening?
Yes, yesterday, at 10 p.m. When was the last time you saw him? I'm not sure. 2 days ago? Yeah, it was Monday. Ma'am, it's Friday. Oh.
Night. I'm walking on a highway alone. The flashlight is struggling to keep lighting the road. There is no point in it anyway. I can't open my eyes with this blizzard. Why did I even believe her? 1 a.m. Old shack by the lake. Just you and me. Let's get naughty. Stupid Mandy. The entire school will know by tomorrow. I will become a laughingstock. Shit. A noise of an engine is heard through the blizzard. An old Chevrolet parks beside me. Driver offers to give me a lift to my house. He's going to Greenwood anyway. It'd take at least an hour to get there on foot. I'll have to take a ride. Besides, I know him. I've seen him in the hospital. He's working there. Whoa, inside the car, I think I can feel my toes again. Turns out that I'm terribly cold. The driver, who called himself Frank, has offered me some tea. It has a strange smell. So I asked him if there was some other kind of brew in the thermos. We laughed. Frank seems to be a nice guy, even though he asks me questions with the rate of a machine gun. The trees flash by. My eyes can't follow the wipers. My tongue feels like cotton. I feel sick. And then I pass out. Shit, I feel so dizzy. Where am I? It looks like a basement. Is it a cage? Am I in a cage? I need to call for help. No, shut up, you idiot. Not a sound. I need to find a way out of here. Okay, think. I need to put everything back where I took it. Shit. He's coming here. Hope he hasn't noticed that I left. I hope he hasn't noticed.
It's time to check the basement. Seems
Oh, it worked! I'm a genius! It was loud.
What is going on there?
I need to block the door.
Run and don't look back.
You were trying to run away from Uncle Frank, leaving footprints on the snow. Come on, you're going home.
If I break the window, maybe I can escape. But that would be loud. There must be something in this damn house so I can open the window without making too much noise.
I should check on the boy.
Hope he hasn't noticed that I left. I hope he hasn't noticed.
Wait a second. Something is wrong here. Okay, everything seems to be in place.
What the... Is it human meat? Oh, damn it! Shit! It's broken. But if I fix it, I can get out without making any noise. Oh, empty. It means he's already put it somewhere. This sound. Is it coming from the canteen?
It was loud.
Jacob, is that you making noise there?
Wait a second. Something is wrong here. Okay, everything seems to be in place.
Ah, there you go. Good as new. Almost.
Is it dinner already? How quickly time flies.
Forgive me for not offering you, but I've spent enough this month, so I know how it looks, but believe me, I'm not going to do anything like that. I'm not one of those. On the contrary, I want to help. You know, fire scorches. It burns and it doesn't care. It doesn't care what or who or how much it hurts. And I want to extinguish it, and I'll extinguish your fire. And Jacob, you and I are doing the real good here. The real good. Not this liberal done the other chick nonsense. Yes, it's hard. But to be a man is to act like a man and pay a big price. Okay. I have to go upstairs. Thanks for listening, Jacob. I don't feel well.
Okay, buddy. Don't let me down. Does it look like it's working?
Yes, yes, yes!
This time, I'll definitely do it.